Hi, and welcome to Foundations of AI Red Teaming with PyRIT. I'm talking about how PyRIT, as a framework, allows for orchestration of systematic attacks against AI systems. If you're watching this video, you're probably in our target audience, are aware that AI systems are becoming increasingly vulnerable to automated attacks that make it as simple as adding or removing a single string to invoke the behavior that you're after, whether that be through complicated means and open source kind of white box attacks, or through more complicated means that are attacking new parts of the latent space. Ultimately, though, if what you're doing is trying to make sure that your data doesn't leak, then this is the course for you. We're going to be walking through red teaming as a practice, as a discipline. The foundations, kind of the concepts, they come later. But ultimately, what are we trying to do? How KV manipulation works at that core level, how we, for instance, train sleeper agents, which are de facto environment variables, into the models. That gets covered. And then we also go into a deep dive on this orchestration mechanism. This visual is kind of the flow of the DAGs that get built. And section 4 is all about how we take that DAG and we make that more complicated. We say, all right, how do I make sure that I'm iteratively refining these against my endpoints? How do I make sure that I'm exploring all possibilities? How do I make sure that that orchestration is happening together and that it's stateful, right? On top of the fact that in the analytics, it tells me if it was successful. That's what this course is about. If that's something you're interested in, then come help me make AI systems safe. Today, we're going to be walking through a course as a whole.